Hey guys, quick video on how to release the clip that holds in the electronic parking brake wire on the Honda CRV 2018. So as you see, this one is broken off. The design is, in my opinion, very poor on how this interlocking mechanism works. So the way that you pull this out, you can't just pull the release tab and then pull it straight out. It won't come out. So I don't know why. Honda designed it so once you pull this release back, you have to push it forward and then pull it back. But I found an easier way. So if you see at the top here, you can insert a screwdriver when it's fully plugged in here. You can pull this part up. It's a little hard to see, but you pull this, bring the screwdriver this way, and you can release it in a way that you won't have to push forward. You can just pull back. So hopefully that helps anyone that has also broken this tab. This took me a good 20 to 30 minutes to figure out. So yeah, hopefully it helps. Hey guys, another quick video here. If you don't have a 12-volt battery handy, but you do have a fairly sizable jump starter, it should work to retract the brake piston on the electronic parking brake for this is a 2018 Honda CRV. I would imagine it should also work on the RAV4 or any similar compact SUVs, but anyways, it will depend on what battery pack you have. I did try another one here and it was not successful. I also tried a 9-volt battery that may or may not be dead, so you might be able to get away with a 9-volt, but the output here, it does seem to be 12 volts, and I guess the way they have the regulator and the safety checks on this particular model, it's not cutting off early, whereas this one would. So I would plug it into the usual port over here to do the normal jump start, but the auto shut off would prevent it from actually retracting the piston as you need to do for this. So just another quick pro tip. Hopefully it helps someone. Thanks.